Have we ceded territory to China?
Absolutely not. This is a misinterpretation and a misrepresentation of the agreement that we have arrived at. We have to look at it in this manner, that finger 8 is a claim line. We claim our territory till finger 8. The PLA is moving all its forces behind finger 8. The entire infrastructure that has come up between finger 4, that is his claim line, and up to finger 8, he will be restoring the entire landform. There's a large infrastructure that came up, since he came and occupied in the month of May last year. And that is bunkers, there's a tentage, there are dugouts, there are helipads. Even with those flags on the shoreline in the North Bank, the entire infrastructure will be totally removed. The process has already started. And they will be going back behind finger 8. And also, the third and final thing is that they will not carry out any activity in our claimed areas, whether it is a military activity or a civil activity or any activity will not happen by the PLA this side of finger 8, which is the area claimed by us. Okay. Also, we should be very clear that his claim is up to finger 4 and he is not coming up to his claim line. So as far as I am concerned, it is an absolutely win-win situation for us as a nation and for the Indian Army.